Hello. Starting a home hatchery is a profitable venture that allows you to produce your own day-old chicks for personal use or commercial scale. With the right equipment, proper management, and controlled environment, you can achieve high hatchability rate and ensure a steady supply of healthy chicks, either for your own use or to others as a commercial hatchery operator. A home hatchery reduces the cost of buying chicks from external sources and gives you control over quality and can grow into a lucrative business, whether you are a small-scale poultry farmer or you are looking forward to expand into commercial hatchery. Understanding the process and investing in essential equipment is the key to a successful hatchery business. So in this particular video, I will ask you to watch till the end so that you get all the required equipment you need to hatch your own chicken at home. Essential equipment for starting a home hatchery. List. I'm going to give you all the list because many are asking the question on the comment sections and some are sending me a message on other platforms. Please, if you're not my channel member or you're not a channel community member, please don't send me WhatsApp messages. Please send me a message on YouTube here on the comment section. I will answer your questions there. My other platforms, sending message to other platforms is restricted to only my channel members, community members. If you are not my channel community member, don't send me WhatsApp message, please. Even if you see the number where I replied others, please don't send message. I will not answer your questions. Send your message on the comment section unless you are a channel member. These are the equipment you need to start your own hatchery in your farm or at home. One is incubator, either manual or automatic, but based on my experience, I advise you go for automatic incubators. Secondly, egg tray for storage and setting eggs. Most of the incubators, especially the commercial types, comes with egg trays, but for storing your own personal parent stock eggs, you can buy some egg trays in the market to keep your eggs safe. It's very important. The next thing is egg candling lamp. Please, this is another important tool you need to have. This candling lamp is used to check the fertility of the egg after some days in the incubator. The next one is thermometer. If you are using an automatic incubator, it comes with a thermometer, but it comes with thermometer and humidity or humidifier. All these are some of the components of a good incubator, automatic incubator. They comes with all this. It comes with hygrometer also. Hygrometer is used to measure the level of humidity in the incubator. It is very necessary. The next one is water reservoir or pan. This is also one of the equipment that comes with a good incubator also. Most especially if it is a commercial incubator, it comes with all this. The next one is automatic egg turner. It comes with the incubator also. For most especially the automatic types comes with this. Unless you are buying local fabricated incubators, that's where you start buying all this. Automatic egg turner is used to turn the eggs after intervals. That will help the egg to get well incubated so that all the sections of the egg will touch heat. So the next thing is hatchery disinfectant. It's very important because you need to disinfect your incubators against infections that comes through the eggs. Remember that some of these chickens that are sick can transfer the infection into their egg and their egg will carry that same infection. And if you incubate that egg, it can ascend and transmit to other eggs in the incubator. Assuming you buy egg from Mr. A and Mr. B and Mr. A's egg is infected, you can use that egg, Mr. A's egg, to infect Mr. B's egg that is free. That's one thing. So, but when you incubate and you disinfect your incubators, it always gives room for free process. The next one is brooder setup. Because once you hatch your young chicks, you need to brood them before they go out. You need to keep them safe for some time. They will not remain inside the incubator all the time. And it's for the first, second day, they need to be in a very good brooder. So this is another one. The next one is ventilation system is very important for proper air circulation. You need a ventilation system. The next one is chick balls or trays for holding hatched chicks. This comes with commercial incubators comes with all these trays where the young chicks are kept for some time to dry up before they can be set on the brooder. So it comes with the commercial incubators also. But if you are using a mini incubator, all these things you need to get them. And that one is weighing scale to monitor chicks' weight. It's very necessary. Most especially if you can get digital scale, this small digital scale is very important for you. This is a digital scale. You can see it. This is a digital scale. You can see digital scale. This can be used to measure and monitor the weight of chicks and the eggs before you stock them in the incubator. This digital scale. It's a very small scale you can use. The next one is record keeping book or software to track hatch rate. The next one is backup power supply. You need inverter, you need generator also to avoid power failure issues. Please, it's very important. Feeding and watering equipment is very necessary for day-old chicks. Once they are hatched, you need to feed them, you need to give them water. Vaccination and medication supplies for chicks' health and management. They are very important also. You need to get the vaccinations, the vaccines, and the equipment used in vaccinating them. Protective gloves and masks is very important for hygienic and disease prevention. All these are very important. The next one is egg tray, egg storage containers, which I earlier mentioned, but you still have egg that your parent stock laid that need to be kept before they are placed inside the incubator, where you can store them in a proper way. They host the egg before setting them in the incubator. The next one is humidity control pad, sponge. That is to test the humidity level. All this one now comes with the incubators. Now, another thing is waste disposal system for discarding hatched eggs and waste. All these are the equipment you need to start up a very good hatchery in your own farm. So if you have any question regarding this particular topic or any other topic on this, I'm going to load more on this particular incubating business because many questions are coming up and I need to answer all the questions. Please share this video to reach more farmers and watch the next video that's loading, where I will also tell you how to start your own hatchery in your farm or at home. How to start your own hatchery at home. The steps, the process, what you need to do from beginning to end. These are what you need to have. The equipment you need to get before you start. All this equipment need to be with you before you start. Remember them. Don't forget them. Please, as you are watching the video, try and list them one after the other. The incubators, the egg trays, the thermometers, the hydrometers, water reservoirs, automatic egg turners, hatchery disinfectants, brooder setup, ventilation systems, chick balls, trays, and weighing scales, recording books, backup power supply for the incubator, because the incubator needs always power. You need power. Once there is egg inside, they need power always. So you need a solar system or backup generator so that in case the local grid goes off, you can put on your generator, and in case the generator is not working well, you can start your inverter, and that will power your incubator also. Feeding and watering equipment, vaccination and medication supplies, preventive gloves and masks, egg storage containers, humidity control pads, and waste disposal systems. All these are what you need to start as equipment and tools you need in your farm to start. These are very simple things. Most of all these tools I mentioned here comes with the incubator. Some of them are inside the incubator already. Most of them, if you are buying automatic incubator, they comes with them. But some you need to provide some of them, like this where you keep the eggs after hatching. You need to provide them where you can start brooding them. You need to have all those ones. So any other thing, loading in the next video. How to start from step by step on how to start is loading very soon. Please make sure you watch that video. It's coming up. And if you're not subscribed to our both channels, you are missing a lot. We have two channels on poultry and livestock animals. One is the Poultry Site TV. The next one is Dr. Leonard Jazz. Please subscribe to both channels so that you get all, because I don't load the same video on both channels. They are different videos. So you need to watch this and watch this also. So if you want to get all my videos, make sure you're subscribed to both channels. So that, and if you subscribe, activate the bell to show that anytime I release an update on this particular channel or any of the channels, you get the link immediately from the app. Subscribe to both channels. That's the only way you can get all my videos. I upload on each of the channels on daily basis. I upload one video or more on each of the channels. So that's how you can get the videos. Thank you for watching. And if you are not a channel community member, please don't send me a message on my platforms or other social media handles. Send your messages on the comment section. I'll answer them there. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.